Hi, welcome back to the workshop. Oh mate, you are making a lot of noise. What are you doing?
I'm sorry mate, what I'm doing, I'm just trying to get all this stuff aquablasted.
Okay, oh cool, and what is this stuff?
This is V12 engine components.
Nice, and what is that for?
Well, I thought maybe I could make a V12 coffee table, or actually, should I say, we could make a V12 coffee table.
All
What do you reckon?
No, fair enough, let's have a look. That looks looking pretty good already. Wow.
Look at that. Oh, turn it over now and look at the other side.
Oh wow, and that's what it was like.
Exactly.
All right, well I need your help, so I'll crack on helping you with this, but what's going on in the jet wash?
Yeah, I've got the pistons and con rods in there. I've just given them a little clean up.
All right, well you crack on with that, I'll do a little bit of this.
Will do.
Now what's going on here in the Aquablaster is basically we've got about 40 or 50 psi, and that's actually forcing some water, hence the aqua bit, and inside that it's suspended some particles. Now you can use glass beads. At the moment we're actually using ceramic beads because they kind of get a bit more bite, do a bit more cleaning, and basically it's just blasting off the surface, getting rid of any corrosion, getting rid of oil, which is great, but also it kind of shot peens the surface as well. So it actually kind of ever so slightly kind of modifies that normally rough crystalline structure, makes it just a little bit smoother. And what that helps, it makes it look better for one thing, but it also stops with things like stress fractures because of course it stops them starting. That's why they use them a lot in the aircraft industry. But it should make a really lovely job of this coffee table that we're now going to make. Oh, look at that! That is as good as new, surely.